Right, we got this Bissell Pro Revolution ProHeat 2 times. We've got a problem that the water's not coming out. Clean shot. So what happens is normally pour the water out. So that's something that's blocked or it's come loose, so we're just going to try and go through to see if we can find out what the problem is. Get rid of the water for now. Just going to remove this side cover just to, I'm not sure if I need to do that, but you might have been stopping on there. Try and get this cover off. This cover might just be clipped in place. There we go, see we've got loads of water down in it. On the towel. I don't think we're pretty sure this is just clipped in place. In place. There we go, loads of clips. Clip, 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 clip. Right. There's definitely one screw there. One screw there. One screw there. I'm not going through showing exactly where all the screws are. It should be pretty, you can see roughly where my drill's going. I'm not sure if I need to take this off, but we'll take it off. It's only, there you go, clipped in there and that pops out. There we go. There's no screw underneath it, so I believe we need to, that's it. Push it right lever back. Back in there. Right. Got that one. Yeah, there's one there. There we go. Right, let's pull that out. Right, that gives us access now. So obviously that's the there you go. Just the pipes come off. That's all it was. There we go, it's just, as you've seen, that pipe was totally, yeah. Right, it's quick delivery, so I've been a bit, right, we've connected that pipe back up. I just want to just test it quickly, and yeah, hopefully that was just a nice simple. Yeah, as you've seen, it's all water shot out there, and it stopped. Okay, so yeah, that was just a simple pipe come off. So if yours ends up nothing coming out, and yet you're getting a load of water down there, it's probably the pipe's just come off. Right, hope it helps.